Hi everybody, this is Patty, and I'm not going to bore you with another video on how I cook my beef stew. I have a video out on that already, but I bought a $28 4-pound chuck roast today, and I chopped it up, chunked it up as you can see here, and you can see right here I have some more to put in. And I'm searing it first on top of the stove. And then once I get it all browned up, I will cut up all of my seasonings, my peppers, my onions, my dry parsley, and some other seasonings that I'll put in, and my yellow onion, and I will saute those. And then I'll put my carrots, when I wash those, my carrots and potatoes, and I'll put all of that together. And in this Dutch oven here, I will put this mixture after I've seared everything and sauteed everything. I'll put it in the oven and let it cook for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. It just depends on when it's done, and I'll probably cook it on about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But I wanted to come in and show you, but as I said, I'm not going to talk long about this because there's already a video. And once I get everything done and it's all done, then I'll come back and show you what we have going on. This is Patty. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and giving that thumb up, and tap that notification bell. And we will talk to you soon. Okay, everybody, I brought you back to see my pot with my potatoes and carrots and all of the seasonings. I seared all of my meat, took it out, put my carrots in for a few minutes, then put my potatoes in along with all of my seasoning, and all of that goodness that I had in the pot from searing the meat is at the bottom, and I'm turning it over to get that good flavor in there. And then I'll mix my meat in with it, make a roux, and put it in the oven for about an hour and a half or so. And I'll come back when I am done with that process. Okay, this is the beef stew, and it is ready to go in the oven. Hey guys, I just brought you all back to see my delicious pot roast. I let it stay in the oven for about an hour and a half. And this is the results that I have. And the meat is so tender. Let me let you all just see. Look at that. Look at that meat. Look at it just falling apart. It is so tender. Just had to bring you in and let you see it. This is Patty's pot roast. And the meat is just tender. I let it cook on 350 for an hour and a half. And look at it. Thank you guys for joining. And please subscribe and tap that notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. God bless you all. And I will talk to you in the next upload. Goodbye.